So there's CJ. CJC. The only guy, the only cool guy in Qatar.
It's a lovely place we have here.
Yeah.
Chilling right here at the city center, Doha, Qatar.
Okay.
You see the lovely people down here. You see very beautiful scenes and whatever you want, you can just have it. It's a nice place to be. Hey, come.
Okay. Yeah.
Come on, please get this.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool.
This is actually John's wife taking an exposure with her.
Okay.
God bless.
Woohoo! Yo, that's cool, man. That's
fun,
cool.
man.
Yeah, that's fun, man. Chill. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Cool, man. Yeah, thanks. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Cool it down, man. I'm going with you, yeah. Cool, I'm with you.
Please, can you stop that?
Okay. Okay, pause.